At Citywide, we don't just do home loans, we make your dreams come true. Every decision you make determines the direction you go, and the direction you go determines your destination. It's amazing how pressure can burst pipes, but at the same time, pressure can make the best diamonds. Jason and I started Citywide in 2006-2007. He came from a property valuation background and I came from a sales background. Together, we really wanted to make a difference and we wanted to shake up the industry. Our vision with Citywide is to be the #1 home loan lender in the country. And the way we do that is to differentiate ourselves from other mortgage brokering firms and other funders. We've been blessed that we've actually got our own funding line. We're actually not just a mortgage broker, we're a mortgage manager, which actually gives us the flexibility to be able to create our own products, our own processes. We've got our own credit team, and that just gives us a massive edge to be able to control the loan process and just to offer something a little bit different to your traditional mortgage broker. I love the culture and I love our vision. I love the fact that we're a resilient company. We've had some tough times, we've had some great times, we've hit some massive milestones, and just the fact that you see people come into the business, not from the industry sometimes, and just helping them achieve their dreams and seeing them grow, whether you're a client or you're a broker, is just so satisfying and rewarding to me. We launched our Citywide product because we saw a massive gap in the market. At the time, we had banks buying up other banks and other brokerage firms, which reduced competition. So we approached some of the largest funders in the world to be able to deliver our very own Citywide product. We're funded by some of the world's largest financial institutions.
When you celebrate 10 years, you celebrate every minute of every day, of every week, of every year, from today back to day one. Their integrity, their professionalism, you're celebrating every risk they took. They're celebrating every moment they sat there with anxiety, worried about the mortgages that they'd taken out to fund their business. They were the first organisation or first broker that I know to make that club. $1 billion worth of mortgages under management. 1 billion.
What I love about Citywide the most is seeing people, whether it's clients or staff, grow in their roles or grow in their property portfolios, creating wealth and creating great careers ahead of themselves. So the biggest achievement that I believe we have had at Citywide was, from a numbers point of view, was probably getting $1 billion worth of settlements in one calendar year. It was pretty big news at the time, and it was a big goal for Rod and I to achieve, and we achieved that pretty early on in our careers. The reason Rod and I decided to have our own Citywide product was that way we could have a lot more influence over the decision making on credit, on processes, and how our brokers interact with our clients. The main benefit of having our own Citywide product is it's old school lending. So we're able to pick up the phone, speak to credit officers. We're also able to speak to the funders directly and influence how they decide on policies and procedures. For us, that's a key factor on being able to help people achieve their goals.
One of our most significant challenges to date was definitely the Royal Commission. At the time, it really shook up the industry and it rattled a lot of small businesses. At the time, we had to restructure, we had to become a lot more innovative, which actually led to our greatest blessing as a business, which was our Citywide home loan product.